Story time for grade 2, 3 and 4. Teacher and the Naughty Bird by Behiye Karatop. One day, teacher comes to the classroom early. There was no student in the classroom. But there was a strange noise in the classroom. What is it and where does it come from? Oh, I can see now. It's a bird. It's a naughty, naughty bird. Then the students come to the classroom. And when they see a bird on their teacher's head, they laughed and laughed and laughed a lot. Thanks for watching Teacher and the Naughty Bird. Behiye Karatop.
Created using Powtoon.